Welcome to PDF Reader Pro, the simplified, all-in-one PDF solution. Tax season is here and you're still typing data manually? Stop. Manual entry takes hours and leads to costly errors on your tax returns. Don't let scanned PDFs ruin your productivity. Meet PDF Reader Pro. Our smart table extraction feature turns dead scanned data into living Excel sheets in seconds. Open PDF Reader Pro and click the Open File button in the top left corner. Select the file you want to convert and click Open. Alternatively, you can drag and drop a PDF directly into the PDF Reader Pro window. This is a scanned PDF tax invoice that you cannot directly edit. Simply click to Excel under the Convert tab. It's that fast. A settings window will appear. Here, you can choose to convert all content or only table to keep your data clean. If you need all content converted to Excel, you can choose Create Sheet for each page or Create Single Sheet for file. If you select Only Table, PDF Reader Pro will only recognize tables in the document and convert them to Excel. You can choose Create Sheet for each table, Create Sheet for each page, or Create Single Sheet for file. For scanned documents, check Recognize Text to activate high-precision OCR. You can even customize your page range. Need to handle dozens of files? Just use the Batch button to process everything at once. Hit Convert and you're done. Now you can calculate your total expenses in seconds. Accurate, fast, and ready for your needs. That's it for today's guide. With PDF Reader Pro, getting your tax documents ready doesn't have to be a headache. It's all about being smart and seamless. Start your free trial now to save time this tax season, and we'll see you in the next video.